The ozone layer protects us from harmful UV radiation. However, CFCs are human-made compounds that destroy the ozone layer. Because of this, there is an international agreement to stop making CFCs. This agreement has been relatively successful, and concentrations of a lot of the major CFCs have stopped increasing in the atmosphere. However, there is one CFC, called CFC-113a, which is still increasing in the atmosphere, but we didn't know why it was increasing or where it was coming from. So we looked at this CFC in air samples from all over the world, and we found that it is mostly coming from East Asia. This is most likely because it is coming out of factories that are making other compounds called HFCs, specifically HFC-134a and HFC-125, which are used to make refrigerators and fire extinguishers. CFC-113a is released as a byproduct in the production process of both these compounds. Therefore, we need improved regulation and legislation to upgrade factories and stop CFC-113a from leaking out during these manufacturing processes.